Shastasaurus, the Mount Shasta lizard, named after Mount Lizard Inn, California, where its fossils were first discovered. It is an extinct genus of large ichthyosaur, a marine reptile that lived during the late Triassic period, with some species reaching length of over 20 meters. Key facts about Shastasaurus. Shastasaurus meaning derived from Shasta the mountain and saurus lizard reptile. Size considered one of the largest marine reptiles ever, with Shastasaurus measuring up to 21 meters, 69 feet long. Shastasaurus, also known depending Triassic giant, is from massive fragmentary specimens stretching across a 21-meter span. Shastasaurus, the largest Mesozoic marine creatures, skull based on a museum. Shastasaurus, the beginning of Shastasaurus. Tail fluke was found a few meters behind the dorsal remains itself, washed away along with the pelvic. Shastasaurus hinds limbs and flippers, missing flippers and remainders of tail inferred from other Ichthyosaurs. Shastasaurus diet and behavior. Unlike typical predatory ichthyosaur, Shastasaurus had a short, toothless snout, suggesting it was likely a suction feeder that ate cephalopods. Shastasaurus size comparison with any bigger than a blue whale. Shastasaurus, specifically one of the largest marine reptiles, was roughly comparable in size to a smaller or average-sized blue whale, but not the largest specimens. Shastasaurus shastasaurus weights up 80 to 81 tons difference. Blue whale can reach nearly 200 tons. Consolation. If how Shastasaurus size compared any bigger than a blue whale, the largest fragmentary massive ichthyosaurs, power baddest ever seen.